Welcome to LifeCare. The deluxe PVC water bed supplied by LifeCare is completely leak-proof and suitable for all age groups. This is excellent when you have sore muscles, when you have body ache issues that you're dealing with, or even for those unlucky bedridden patients who need some sort of respite from bed sores. When you open the packaging, whenever you fill a waterbed with water, there is a possibility that you might not have to open it for several months and the water might have some odor. To avoid this, LifeCare provides you with an Aquafresh solution or Aquafresh tablets which can be added to the water to ensure that the water remains odor-free and you need not do any refilling in the waterbed for up to 3 to 4 months. Now also provided in it are these leak-proof patches. These can be used if in case there is some sort of accident or if your bed hits a nail and there is some sort of tiny tear and you need to fix that. They have these pre-done patches which can just be stuck onto the areas to ensure that the waterbed remains leak-proof even after several months of use. Now this is a 6-foot long bed which should accommodate almost anybody of an average height. The LifeCare PVC waterbed has 3 compartments and each compartment has a separate nozzle. Now the headrest area has a nozzle which can be used either to fill air, or if not air, this part can just be left as it is and you can use a pillow instead. Now head is of course the area which has least risk of getting any sort of bed sores, so which is why we recommend that you might also use a pillow. Now the middle part will have a nozzle which can be removed and through this you can fill water. The middle part of course being shorter will fill easier, but having a compartmentalized structure to this entire waterbed makes filling it with water and also maintenance of it very, very easy. The third lower compartment also has a nozzle which can also be removed just like how I showed you with the previous nozzle, and the rubber stopper needs to be removed and water needs to be filled into this. The ideal way to fill it is of course with a water hose. You have to insert it into the nozzle provided and then just open the tap and fill it with water. Now always remember, once the waterbed is filled with the ideal amount of water, it will get a little heavy and hence it might be inconvenient for you to move it after you filled it with water. Therefore, it is recommended that you first place it on the bed or wherever is the surface where you have to place the waterbed and then fill it with water. Now that we have filled the larger section, we will now move on to the smaller section. Similarly, you will remove the stopper. And an easy way to do this is to simply pull the nozzle out. Once sufficient amount of water has been filled, all you have to do is replace the rubber stopper first, then the knob, and simply push the nozzle down. Now the best thing to do of course is to fill the head end with air, and if you do not want to fill it with air, you can just use a regular pillow for this end as well. If you're looking for a comfortable, sturdy and easy to use waterbed, then please check out the LifeCare PVC waterbeds.